So today we're changing out this tail lamp on this 2007 F150. The reason was that the whole lens fell off. It came off. We're guessing because of the whole heat in Laredo's pretty bad, and I guess it was replaced, but the adhesive they used wasn't really good. So instead of just buying another cover, we just bought the whole lamp. It cost about the same. So you're gonna start off by opening the tailgate and removing this and this. These are 8mm bolts. After doing so, it's basically just have to pop it off. You push out this way. It has 2 pins right here and a guide right here, and I think up here. Yeah, there's another guide up here. So you just kind of wiggle like that. Where it attaches to, and you just turn to the left, pop out, and the bottom one you do the same, and that's how you take off the lamp. And basically to install it, we're gonna do the same thing. This one we had checked it, we had compared it, everything seems good. Always check them before you install them, because if it's not the same, you could get to return them. So you're gonna basically do the same thing. I already removed the little circles in the back for the sockets to go in there, the lights. And this top one, I struggle a little bit more than this one. This one just kind of just went there, and then you just go to the right like that, and it's already in there. It clicks in place. You do the same thing. Make sure that those go in the little, where the little clip is, and you push. You're gonna push to the front of the truck, and then always make sure that the little guide and the corners are all aligned. And that's the other guide, and then you push that, and you put back the 8s. And this one, in this case, it pop out a little. Right now I'll align it. That's basically it. That's the brand. I think it was purchased through Rock Auto. It's a simple switch. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Like I said, it's gonna be random. You never know what we're working on, so stay tuned.